Hey Geek Nuggets, so this video is a little different because we didn't have a video last week if you're watching this live. Basically because Kristen, even though she was double vaccinated and boosted, caught COVID, and it was pretty bad. She's still not doing great. She's on the mend, so that's good. And so Jason, who can't come over right now, suggested we do something because I got a bunch of stuff in the garage, and he said, why don't we do a speed build of a Lego, because I collect Lego. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna open this box and build what's inside. Alright, Geek Nuggets, so this is a little different. Like I said, this is Lego Ideas set 21331. It's 1,125 pieces. We're going to do a speed build. I may pause some of it. I'll set a timer, and so here we go. Alright, well there we go. Lego set 21331. Took about 2.5 hours. With a few mistakes on my part for not reading the instructions, but that's because I get excited. But there's the finished set. Let me get a little closer. Give me a second. So hopefully you can see that. It does come with all the crystals. Come on, focus. There we go. Comes with all the little crystals and a stand for Sonic. We'll get rid of that for a minute. We have the Dr. Robotnik, which does come out of there and does actually stand, which is kind of impressive, to be honest with you. But I do like the build for this. It's pretty cool. Let me get it, just a Lego stud up his butt. So yeah, we've also got the little crab character. The bridge was kind of cool. Sonic, the figure itself, I think is the same one. And correct me if I'm wrong, folks. I think this is the same one that came with the Lego Dimension set. This part does rotate. Let's get a little closer there. This does rotate. Okay. I'm actually going to come down just a tad. I know we want to see all the stuff up here, so we'll do this first. So we've got the little... I don't know what this one's called. I apologise. But you actually have two faces, so you can switch it out for smiley or sad. The other thing that's kind of interesting is these things here. Yeah, these things here actually have different screens, so you can switch them out depending on what you want it to do, which is kind of fun. It's a little bit closer there. So we got the Sonic score right here. We'll zoom in on that there. The water's a nice little effect. The other thing that's kind of interesting, we'll turn this around, is there's a little platform here where you can make Sonic jump. Although I have to say, it's pretty weak. Here, ready? There you go. But he gets his little rings that way. It's kind of a fun set, I will say. I enjoyed it. It's not a massive set. But I will say it's very repetitive. There's a lot of stuff that's the same. Like building this stuff here got really repetitive, and I have a few issues with my hands right now, and quite frankly it got very my hands started to hurt. But anyway, this is, as I said, Sonic Lego set 21331. I know this is a little different to normally what we do. 1,125 pieces. What I did think was kind of cool is as you progress in the instructions, Sonic at the bottom here moves across. So the further you get to the end, the further he gets across the page, which is kind of fun. But anyway, like I said, I know it's a little different. I apologize. Like I said, Jason can't come over right now. But if you'd like to see more of this kind of stuff, let me know. I just noticed I turned that's the wrong way around. Alright, I'll have to fix that after. Anyway, if you'd like to see more of that, let me know. We appreciate you liking, subscribing, and commenting. And thanks again. Take care until then. We'll see you soon.